Andito tayo lahat ngayon. I would like to give due recognition, of course, to my counterpart, Regional Director in Region 6, RD Linda Tamayo. Very familiar, no? Kaya ang South Cotabato Governor natin, Tamayo, Gyapon. And of course, ARD Mutia Isores, the ever beautiful ARD of Region 6. Oo. Amo na kami tinuturing namin ang aming sarili na puro magaganda. Kaya nga daw gusto ginanaman panindigan. Bahala ako mag-irinanod na importante, gwapa ka, gwapo kita tanan, di ba? Tama ba? Tama. Oo. Ang kuno na natin na. Of course, I'm very happy to have with us sister na ni siya sa mga RDs ang DTI, the key player of the coffee industry in Iloilo and of course in the country, Miss Junarine Bautista. Sister na siya sa mga RDs ng DTI. Thank you so much for hosting us in our past engagement dito sa Iloilo. The first time we met was in Korea during the Seoul Coffee Expo. So kumbaga may common kami iyang denominator. Aside sa kagwapa, common denominator natin is of course ang ara sa kape naman natin, no? Maayong aga. Thank you so much for being here with us. Of course, ang aton nga mga local government counterparts, duly represented gitanan ang aton nga mga governors. That's how DTI 12 collaborates with our LGUs. Madamo nga salamat. Of course, ang aton nga man nagpupogihan nga mga provincial directors, mga kigna sila karon kung hindi paghambalon ng pogi. Oo. Of course, the farthest right, si Acting Provincial Director Robert Ofrecio of Cotabato Province, and Provincial Director Ferdinand Cabiles of South Cotabato, Acting Provincial Director Eddie Diasis of Sultan Kudarat, and ang wala din sa aton subong ang aton nga Provincial Director for Sarangani and General Santos City, siya gid ang gihinhi. Kaway naman, oo. So, these are the hardworking men and women of DTI 12 who brought our MSMEs here in the City of Love. This is the city of Iloilo. Excited ba ka mo to be here? Excited ka mo? Ano hindi? Yes. Most of us also came from Panay Island, and may ara gihapon nga halin dito sa Negros Occidental nga mga islands. And anyway, we feel the vibes of what Iloilo can offer, and of course the welcoming nature of the Ilonggos. Ara diri of course, no, ang aton nga mga lidipos partner gini naton in as far as investment, in as far as MSME development in our region. Madamo nga salamat for being here. Of course, ang aton nga mga governors, without their approval, wala rin dito tayo, pati yung ating mga MSMEs. Governor Lala Talinyo Mendoza of the Cotabato Province, of course, Governor Pacquiao of Sarangani, we have Governor Jun Tamayo of South Cotabato, and of course, Dato Pax Ali Mangodadato of Sultan Kudarat. Amo gihapon na ang promoter natin sa coffee because Sultan Kudarat is positioning itself to be the coffee capital of the Philippines. And hindi naman natin masabi na kulang ang support ni Governor Lorely Pacquiao. Full ang support ng ating mga city mayors and of course ang ating mga provincial governors. Thank you so much everyone. And of course ang ating mga 60 MSMEs nga rin subong, you are our pride and you are the reason for our being. Wala ginang DTI, no? Kung wala ang ating mga MSMEs. Of course, the DTI 6 team, thank you for being here, rallying behind us, welcoming us in this, again, city of love and bounty. Gusto namon at dugangan. Oo. Again, maayong hapon, Iloilo. Dako gid ang among kalipay nga makaupod ka mo subong, no? Diri nga subong nga adlaw diri sa SM City. Of course, this will run today until December 21. Para sa aton nga mga esteemed guests, very important gid ang aton partnership and we always value ang aton na collaboration because without you, DTI 12 team cannot possibly do this. This event, again, today until December 21, is the culmination of a decade dedication and a pioneering vision para sa atin ng mga MSMEs. Since its inception in 2014, dugay-dugay na gali, no? Ang aton Treasures of Region 12 has become one of the most anticipated trade expos in the country. In fact, we've been bringing our Treasures of Region 12 to Makati, but at this point in time, sabi ko, let's give Iloilo our best. Let's have Iloilo as our destination for this year. This landmark event is a powerful demonstration of collaboration. Again, this is not possible without our key partners, the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Tourism, the Philippine Coconut Authority, duly represented here. Sana itong partner, ay andito na ma'am. Thank you so much. We have our CFIDP booth dito to really give due recognition to our coconut farmers. Of course, ang support ninyo sa ating mga MSMEs are not just by buying their products, but you are fueling their growth, innovation, and lasting partnerships for our local enterprises. We invite you, our guests in Western Visayas, to experience the richness and diversity of Soxargen firsthand. Kung nakita man ninyo sa mga social media pages ang amon mga performances, mga dances, mga show of culture sa atong mga attire, then now is the time na makita sang Region 6 and Iloilo. Ano gid bala ang obra sang Region 12? Of course, beyond the exhibits, we have specially designed booths para sa aton ng mga local government units to showcase their investment opportunities, culture, attractions, and those experiences na pwedeng ma-offer due to our region's diversity. Throughout the expo, you can also enjoy daily creative performances to include our dances and of course, other side events. Hindi lang ho sa opening program mayroong kakanta, may magsayaw, but it will last until the end of our expo here at SM City. We always have this battle cry. Let's buy local and let's be vocal. Mabuhay ang MSMEs ng Region 12. May the Treasures of Region 12 be a season of prosperity, partnership, and joy for all. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you, and welcome to the Expo.